Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on making this one, and then I picked this one. I really thought this part was going to be the easiest, and it is, but the outside wasn't hard whatsoever. So I thought I'd share with you, and this is called a Croatian interlace. This is what the man sent me, and this is what I'm going off of. Pretty cool stuff, but these are just like pencil drawn drawings that to me would be hard, but so all I did is to do this one was pretty easy. I just took an ellipse about that size, and then I opened up the contour docker, which I left open, and I contoured it 3 times at 0.35. Now I'm going to go up to Object and break the contour apart and go ahead and make all the lines black. And then I just drew an ellipse, and I kind of put it with the pick tool. I kind of put it to the bottom, and I'm going to say that's a little bit big maybe, but it's neither here nor there. But what it is doing, the bottom one and the center one are almost touching. So I'm going to hold down the shift key and bring it in just a little bit, and then get my 4 point, and it's almost perfect. So now I'm going to contour that the exact same thing. So you see where I'm going here. Now, as always, you need to grab it all and go up to Object and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to make it all black. And I'm going to leave it a hairline right now. And then you just kind of go back and look at the picture and, bring the picture in, and these lines need to go up. So I'm just going to get the virtual segment delete key, and I'm just going to delete these lines, making this thing go up. I might have screwed up there, messed up, sorry. Excuse my French. Yep, I screwed up, messed up by doing that one. So then I just go here and kind of your decision on what you're going to do on this one. You could leave it like that. I think there's actually a little bitty dot there. So that looks pretty good. Now, the good thing about this, you can still grab this circle and find your center of your circle, because we need the center to rotate. And it's going to stop on the center, and then I'm going to bring one down and have it snap to the center. Because when you group this together, it will no longer be the center. You can see the X's up there, but we need to move our rotation to there. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, there might be a way where you don't have to delete these lines again, but for right now, this will be good enough. And then just delete these other lines all the way around. And, I don't really know what to do on that one yet. But anyway, this is going up and stopping. So we're just doing the ring lines. You could maybe do this, and then before you rotate it, we did it once, if you remember, but the other rings are inside of it. And I am going to do one more tonight on the center part of this, because really it'll be the easiest by far. And it's your choice on what you're going to do on that last one. That would be pretty cool. I mean, it's similar to that. Mine's a little more, I'm going to say perfect. And you could do this, and that might be a way around. Well, I don't like that using the same color, because then they don't interlock. You can see where that one stops. But anyway, so stay tuned for part 3, and we'll do this one real quick. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.